Friendly AI Review, High Performance LLM Serving and Inference Optimization Platform. So it is a platform or infrastructure service for deploying and serving large language models and other generative AI models, vision, audio, and multimodal. It offers several development options where you can manage cloud endpoints or have serverless endpoints and even container-based deployments. So first, let's talk about the pros. It offers very fast inference and high throughput. According to their benchmarks, Friendly AI can deliver significantly higher throughput compared to other standard frameworks. It is also cost efficient for the GPU usage because of optimizations and the quantization support. They even have a flexible deployment option whether you want fully managed cloud endpoints. And they also have support for many models and modalities. The cons is though, there may be some dependency on external infrastructure and cost which is still non-trivial. And there are some abstraction which is less control over under the hood. And it also has potential vendor lock-in for specialized engine with proprietary optimizations. And for very large experimental models, there are some edge cases that it supports many models and have some extremely exotic non-standard models which will run into problems with its compatibility or performance. So overall, it is a powerful, well-engineered platform for serving LLMs and generative model at scale for developers and startups or teams that want to deploy it. But if you need maximum transparency, full control, or operate under tight resource budgets, be aware that there are trade-offs. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications